Small pharmacies across the country are quickly becoming a critical part of vaccine distribution. There are about 23,000 independent pharmacies in this country, and many are the backbone of their community. Now they are stepping up to fight misinformation and administer the vaccine in areas where medical resources are often limited. Mireya Villarreal shows us how one independent pharmacy is leading the way.
Taking care of patients is the ultimate goal of a community pharmacist.
Do you have a preference of which arm you'd like to have it in?
Stephen Hoffert's career as a pharmacist brought him back home to Magnolia, Texas, where the population is just over 2,000 people.
Does it make it extra special knowing that this is where you grew up and you're giving back to your own town?
Yes, it's real heartfelt. Have you ever had any kind of allergic reaction?
At the beginning of the pandemic, Hoffert stepped up to make hand sanitizer for those on the front lines. Now he's stepping up again by distributing 500 doses of the Moderna vaccine.
We have great relationships with our community, so being able to make sure that we're able to get those patients in on a timely manner, it's a challenge, but it's something we're working through every day.
Texas is currently vaccinating Group 1B, which in this state is residents 65 and older and people 16 and older with medical conditions that could put them at risk for severe illness with COVID-19.
I survived 2020.
Jane Baugh will be 85 years old next month.
Yay!
Baugh's son is an anesthesiologist.
He said, Mom, if you could have been in the emergency room with me or the ICU and seen all the people I have put to sleep, paralyzed, intubated, you would run to get this vaccination.
Big pharmacy chains like CVS and Walgreens contracted with the federal government to help distribute vaccines, but those chains aren't always in rural communities, leaving independent pharmacies to fill in the gaps with both access to quality care and factual education on vaccinations. Hoffert says they're doing 50 shots a day until they run out.
I called my own doctor. They aren't giving the shots, so I tried some of the local big chain pharmacies. They're not giving the shots.
Bill Haynes is over 65, diabetic, and hopeful the vaccine will make a swift impact.
I'm going to be happy to be able to see people smile.
Within 8 hours of opening up appointments for vaccinations, Hoffert says all 500 were booked.
Do you feel like your whole career has kind of led up to this point of being kind of the center point for the distribution process?
I would say so. It's like the Super Bowl, man. It was talked up, talked up, talked up. That day is here.
Of the more than 377,000 vaccines that have been given out here in Texas, more than 56,000 have been given inside pharmacies of all sizes. Hoffert believes, however, that small pharmacies will continue to play a big role in the distribution system, which is why he asked pharmacy students certified in administering the vaccine to come in and help with the demand. Anthony?
Yeah, Mireya, as we've said, so many people waiting for that vaccine, and we're behind in delivering it. So important what he's doing there. Thank you very much.